are you doing? A nightly routine. Chewy's got to come out every night and hang out with me in his plastic tote on my daybed. He loves to watch television. What are you doing there, buddy? He's a great companion. My cats are playing chase run back and forth through the house. Lily, knock it off. Goofy. Watching television tonight. Yeah, I'm just looking around. Just looking around. What are you doing, you goofball? What are you doing, silly? Huh? What are you doing? Snakes really enjoy being near people. I don't know why someone started a myth that snakes are only tolerating you when you hold them. That's not true. Younger snakes, yeah, they're naturally defensive until they learn to trust you, but you take an older snake that's used to being out and being handled and worked with, they love being near you. That's a nightly routine with this guy. He's got to come out, same routine every night. Open his door on his enclosure like it is right now. Put the plastic tote on the floor. He comes out, gets on it. I set it on the bed, no top on it. Oops, sorry, stuck my finger in the lens. He'll sit here with me for hours and not go anywhere, just look around. What are you doing? So yeah, they make fantastic companions. I don't know where people get these ideas from, but they're really very misleading to people. That snakes only tolerate being close to you. Hi, handsome, what are you doing? Hey! So, Mommy, you got that bright light in my face. Oh my gosh. What? What are you thinking about? You can actually see them thinking. They're very intelligent animals. People don't give them the credit they deserve, I'll tell you that. If there's any noise in the background, it's my heater going. That's Jasmine over there. See her? She's up there sunbathing tonight. What do you taste? Huh? What you taste? What do you taste down there? Jasmine was in it this afternoon. I took her out and cleaned her house. You taste jasmine, don't you? Uh-oh. Oh my. Chewy just picked up on the scent of Jasmine, my female. She was in the tote a few hours ago. I cleaned her house out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Chewy found the scent of a woman. Oh my. Yeah, she's right up there, Chewy. See her? She's about ready to fall off the top of her hide. You found Jasmine, didn't you? Huh. That's gonna be your girlfriend next year. You're gonna have a girlfriend again. Make some Chewy babies. Yeah, that's Jasmine. She's a year old. Just making conversation. Chewy sitting here tasting Jasmine on the tote. So he'll do this all night if I let him sit here. He won't go anywhere. Hey, Chewy. Chewy. What are you doing? I had a couple of people ask about him. He's fine. If my snakes are resting peacefully, I don't disturb them. If they let me know they want to come out, I bring them out. So he's not out every night lately because it's winter time. He does rest more. But if he wants out, he comes out. I try to accommodate him anytime I see him pacing. I'm gonna go watch television again? Okay. They're great companions. They're great company. They're really easier to care for than most pets. You still tasting Jasmine? Yeah, alright. I'll let you go about your business. I can go watch television. He has favorite shows. He likes action shows and he likes documentaries, wildlife shows, nature shows. He doesn't like cartoons or anything animated, but you put a documentary on, wildlife documentary or something like that, he'll sit here with me for hours watching it. Nope. You may as well go back and watch TV again. He's happy doing this, just sitting here in this plastic tote beside me at night. I was out in the snake room with the other big snakes. He's the only one I had to keep in the house. All the other big ones are out in the new snake room because he needs to be where he can see me at all times or he flips out. He'll start pacing, won't stop. Lately, he just started nose rubbing to get my attention to take him out if I neglect to for any reason. So yeah, now it's got to be a nightly routine with him. I don't want him rubbing his nose on anything and messing his nose up. They healed up fine. Just a little surface scrape. They will let you know when they want to come out though, trust me. And they're relentless